I hope you had a wonderful, I hope you had a wonderful night rest. I hope you had a wonderful night
Good
rest.
morning, sir.
Okay, so we are getting started right now. So look, today is Thursday, 6th of February, 2025, and this is the first Thursday, I think. Okay, so tomorrow we are having NFP tomorrow, which is one of the highest, I mean, one of the high impact news tomorrow. And this high impact news tomorrow This high impact news moves the market very, very well. It moves the market aggressively tomorrow. So, and the market can just literally react and all that. So, looking at today, we're having a couple of red folder events, which is high impact news today. And what I'm having here, we are having high impact news on pounds, which is by 1 p.m., which is our monetary policy report. That is our interest rate. They are going to release it today. And if it's a little bit above the forecast, then we are going to have some increment and we are going to expect some bullish sentiment for, for GBP pairs. Then 2:30 p.m. also, we are having unemployment claims. So this is the money that has been paid to unemployed people from United States. It's money that has been paid to unemployed workers from United States. And these unemployment claims, if the number is higher than this forecast, it means that dollar is going to fall because it means that there are a lot of unemployed workers last month. So if the number is lower, then we have an increment in um, dollar movement. And which also implies the easiest way to interpret it is if it is written in green, it is good for the currency, then the currency is going to be strong. Or if it is written in red color, I mean this actual, it is bad for the currency. Okay, let's go to our chart. Let's go to our chart. Can you all see my screen, please? Can you all see my screen?
Yes, we can see it. Good morning, Mike. We can see it.
Okay. Just a minute, please. I'm trying to put in USDX on the chart. So like I said, this one also will be looking at some stocks. Yesterday we looked at NVIDIA and I gave some trading insight on NVIDIA. So today also we'll be looking at some stocks as well uh, after the end of the analysis. Sorry, please. I'm looking for USDX. Okay, sorry for the little delay. So let's get started. Yesterday, um, yesterday we are looking towards bearish dollar, and we got to this zone, got to this level, and we had a rejection. So what phase are we currently on dollar because of this rejection? What phase are we currently? So I would say that we are in a retracement phase. Why? Because market is currently retracing to this support resistance level, which is around 108, resistance level of 107.841, 107.841 region. So I'm looking at those level for to see if I'm going to have some sort of sellers around this level. So as you can see, we are market take out this low and also this high. So this might literally fall dollar up to, let's say, this level. And as you all know, I don't literally trade retracement because retracement is not fully a strong movement, right? So we don't trade retracement. So we wait for market to get to this level, 107.801 to 107.698 again before we sell. Okay, that is that for dollar, right? So let's go to some pairs. Um, let's go to some dollar pairs like GBP USD. Okay, so GBP USD, I dropped a sell signal yesterday in the evening. I hope a lot of you took it. If you took that sell signal and it hits your TP, can you drop a fire emoji? If not, you took the sell signal I dropped on the funded client group, can you drop a fire emoji? Okay, so I'll be waiting the sell signal on GBP USD. So where are we currently? GBP USD is currently on a very, very strong resistance zone. It took out this high, so this high will fuel GBP USD down, right? My fuel GBP USD down a whole lot and all that. So we're looking at here, right? We're just hoping to see retracement that will lead the price to this supply zone or resistance level before moving to the downside. So if for a more clearer view on 1 hour, you can see that this price was, taken out and kind of rejected, and market is pushing down to this demand level. So as dollar keeps going up, GBP USD will drop and GBP USD will keep dropping. So we see GBP USD falling down to 1.24505 region. And but this is a retracement phase, as you can see. We're expecting the market to tap into this level before selling. So we wait to see what will happen before we decide our next line of action. But as it is, we wait to witness what will literally happen before we take any trade from from the market, right? So retracement zone before price drops. That is what I'm looking towards for GBP USD. I also gave a signal on Euro JPY yesterday. Um, Euro JPY, I dropped a signal there yesterday. And let's look at what is happening on daily time frame. So this is one of the software that P Prime is where we are also launching this year, and it's literally helps you with everything you need to know. All you just need to do is wait for market to get into the zones before you place your entry, right? Once market gets into those zones, then you place your entry. Also give you signals on when to buy or when to sell. Okay, so 4 hours time frame. We are waiting for a retracement. Like I said, everything is just falling down on retracing. Okay, so everything falls down on a perfect retracement, and that is what we are expecting at this at this level. So let me take it out. So I'm hoping to see a retracement at this zone before I continue selling. As yesterday market took out this high, telling us that we are actually looking towards for more sales. Now let me tell you the reason why I gave a buy signal yesterday. I was expecting the market because we have this low taken out. I was expecting the market to break this high and start moving, but there was a fake out at this level. And when the fake out occurred, I think I hinted the group and I said we can edge, right? I said we can edge because of what is happening here. But when this fake out occurred yesterday, I knew it was going to sell. Yeah, but since I've given GBP USD as a recovery signal, so there's no need to literally, you know, over trade or over leverage the account anymore. But then we are still looking towards selling because this is a strong low, and I'm looking towards this level. We're looking towards this level for a proper sell. So I'm looking at this level for a proper sell on Euro JPY. Okay, let's go to gold. Um, Gold has kind of been bullish, and yesterday candle, well, we see go to 2,900 because I was expecting a pullback here yesterday, but this shows this movement. Let me take it out so you can see clearly. Okay, so this movement here, this rejection will fuel gold the more, right? This rejection will fuel gold the more. Here, it will fuel gold the more. So we look towards that. And you can see we have this taking out this low fueled, right? And we just need a low to be taken out before we move up again. But the bias of gold is still bullish. And this low was not taken out. Yep. So this low was not taken out. So we just need something like this, right? And gold pulls up the more. Because the trend is still bullish. You can see what happened here. This low was taken out by this and boom. So we need same scenario to take out one low and boom. That is how we are going to be doing it. And one more thing is just that with the things happening around the world, because we are in a risk on season. Yeah, risk off. We are in a risk off season. because the stocks are not doing fine. So a lot of people tends to move their money into the price of gold, right? So that is what is happening. And this is Trump era. A lot of, like I said, a lot of political instability is happening currently. So that is why. But I am not going to tell us to buy yet because no low has been taken out here. We need a low to be taken out before market start moving to the upside. And when it happens, I'll let you know. Okay. So something like this, a low this, like this here. hmm, And you can see this low was taken out, right? All this was taken out by this move. But if you look at it from here to here, we don't have any low that is being taken out at the moment. Okay, so that is why we still need to be patient for a low to be taken out before price moves or continue moving to the upside. Okay, so like I do used to do, um, you can always drop your analysis, what you want us to look out for this morning, the pair you want us to look out for this morning, so that we can also look at it together. And it seems that there's no, I've not seen any signal yet. I've not seen any signal at the moment, but want us to look out for any pair, can write it in the comment section where I will do that for you. Okay, so let's look at USD Okay, so let's look at okay, BTC USJPY. Okay. Same thing we are looking at for USD CHF markets at this. So we could just look out for a strong support level. So market is approaching this resistance. Looking at the USD CHF, we could probably take a short buy, but the entry is not yet confirmed. We do not have any tangible entry at the moment until we have a retracement, then price moves to this level. So here's this CHF looking towards to some buy to sell scenario, right? Looking towards some buy to sell scenario. Because this low took out this one, and you can see how market react to this other block, and we can move. Maybe we could use the buy stop order, but then we still need to be careful because market is at this resistance also. So I don't think there is any entry at the moment. I don't think there's any entry at the moment for USDCHF, except we wait for literally we could use a buy stop order and take our TP1, TP2, that's about 16 pips up to this level. So I'll keep up posted. If there's any entry on USDCHF, I'm going to drop it in the group. Nobody said USDJPY. Let's look at USDJPY. USDJPY. So the same thing we talk about. USJPY. This is a strong guy for us, this level. So I'm going to use a daily time frame. So you can see here, market is rejecting that zone, which is it's kind of you can call this zone a breakup block, right? So 4 hours time frame. We tend to see market trying to pull up at this level. But then I still see more room for dollar to fall, right? But what I'm just looking towards, it's a pullback to the upside before crashing, something like this, I guess, then start crashing to the downside. That is what I am looking towards for USD JPY. So 1 hour time frame, we don't literally see an entry yet. So we wait to see what will literally happen. So we are currently in a retracement phase, like I said. There's no reversal that has been confirmed yet. And we look at this supply zone here, right? I'll look at this level, before we see market continuation, because this is clearly a downward trend, right? And if I'm to draw a line chart, I mean a trend line, you could see continuations of the market, right? So USD JPY, I'm looking towards to sell at 152.565 region before when market get there, I'll wait to see if there's going to be any liquidity takeover before I enter into the market. BTC USD, like I said, I've not seen any bullish movement yet for BTC because there are a whole lot of reversal pattern here, right? The only thing that is just sweet is market has not taken out this low. We only have liquidity take out here, but it didn't take this high also, right? So the bias is just a short buy, according to what I'm looking towards. A short buy, the market sells again. So if you are trading Bitcoin, don't look towards much buys. Look for more sales before anything, except if there's any fundamental movement or any fundamental backup, probably on Trump or anybody, but there's a fundamental backup. Yes, you can take your trade, but there is no fundamental backup at the moment, then you can keep selling. I mean, you can't wait towards selling BTC. Okay, so there is no setup this morning. Hopefully we get, because maybe today is tomorrow is NFP and the market might range a little bit for setting up NFP for tomorrow. But then today is our advanced class. You can also come to our offices in Lagos and Abuja, where you can have access to our class, our everyday class, our classes, our physical classes for today is just from 11 to 3:30 in the evening. And also, we are going to look at we are going to look at some renewable stocks to look out for. Yesterday, we looked at NVIDIA. So let's look at renewable stocks. Um, so let's see if we could get. Yesterday, I gave an insight on NVIDIA. So let's look at some stocks this morning. I'm trying to, I think I saw, okay, let's look at ExxonMobil, which is oil. So we could, I'm going to just be doing daily on it. Fundamentally, we could see an increase in the value for ExxonMobil shares, uh, right? Because from the from the from 31st of January, we see how market reacts to from on this support level, meaning that there is going to be some increase in the value for ExxonMobil stocks on daily time frame. And let's see on 4 hours. Yeah, because market took out this low. So you can take a buy on ExxonMobil stocks. You can buy ExxonMobil and hold your position till it probably gets to 112 or 113 region. So buying ExxonMobil stocks is not going to be a bad idea, right? So you can buy and hold your position till gets to 112.41 area. Once price gets to 112.41 area, then you can think of selling your position. Okay. Okay, so selling that, you know the number of values you want to buy, and everything will be calculated for you automatically, trading with PE Prime. Okay, so I think that's the end for today. We will also be dropping values for more stocks that we are going to be looking into and looking towards for this year and all that. Um, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us. And also, if you are not on the funded client group, please try and fund so you can have access to the funded clients group. Good morning, everybody, and have a wonderful trading day.
Have a great day. We appreciate.